I think the most powerful thing you can be in your life is grateful. You have no control over where you were born and who your parents are. But if you're grateful for your situation and then you start being grateful for everything in your life, I think you're gonna see amazing things happen to you. I realize the amount of failure that I see is profound. I look at the divorce rate. I look at the rate at which people start business, and over 95% will fail within 5 years. I see how people think they're living a great life, and as they get older, lose their beauty, lose some of their health, they realize how miserable the rest of their lives can be. They just never got around to understanding that society has blessed them, so be grateful. So many of us will have miserable lives and don't see it coming yet. And when it hits, it's too late.